Welcome to Touring Globe. Himalayas Travel Guide. Discover the majesty of the roof of the world. 1. Introduction. The enigmatic Himalayas. The Himalayas, often referred to as the roof of the world, is a breathtaking mountain range that stretches across 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan. Renowned for its towering peaks, including the world's highest, Mount Everest, the Himalayas are not just a geographical marvel. They are a treasure trove of rich culture, ancient traditions, and spiritual significance. A brief history of the Himalayas. The Himalayas have been a source of fascination for centuries. Formed approximately 50 million years ago, this majestic range was created by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. Over time, these colossal mountains have inspired countless legends, myths, and spiritual practices, becoming a sacred place for followers of various religions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Historically, the Himalayas have been a center for trade routes, connecting Tibet with the Indian subcontinent. They have also been home to diverse ethnic groups, each contributing to the rich tapestry of Himalayan culture. The region is dotted with ancient monasteries, vibrant villages, and stunning landscapes, making it a paradise for trekkers, adventurers, and spiritual seekers. 2. Must-see attractions. The wonders of the Himalayas. The majestic peaks. Mount Everest. Activities. Base camp trek. This iconic trek leads you through picturesque Sherpa villages, lush forests, and stunning mountain landscapes. Along the way, visit traditional monasteries and learn about the Sherpa culture. Photography. Capture breathtaking views of Everest and surrounding peaks, especially at sunrise and sunset. Cultural immersion. Interact with local Sherpas, learn about their customs, and enjoy traditional meals. Kanchenjunga. Activities. Trekking. Embark on the Kanchenjunga Base Camp Trek, which takes you through stunning landscapes, lush forests, and quaint villages. The trek is less crowded than Everest, offering a more tranquil experience. Birdwatching. The region is home to diverse wildlife, making it a great spot for birdwatchers. Local villages. Visit local villages like Gunsa and Lambasia, where you can experience traditional Sikkimese culture. Sacred sites and monasteries. Bodh Gaya. Activities. Meditation. Engage in meditation sessions at the Mahabodhi Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where Buddha attained enlightenment. Explore monasteries. Visit various monasteries built by different countries, showcasing unique architectural styles. Buddhist festivals. If you visit during a festival, participate in celebrations with local monks and pilgrims. Tawang Monastery. Activities. Monastery tour. Explore the sprawling monastery complex, which is home to around 450 monks. Admire the stunning architecture and sacred artifacts. Cultural performances. Attend traditional dance performances, especially during festivals. Hiking. Take short hikes around Tawang for panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Cultural hotspots. Shimla and Manali. Activities. Heritage walk. Stroll through the historic Mall Road in Shimla, admiring colonial architecture and visiting the Christ Church. Adventure sports. In Manali, try activities like skiing in Solong Valley during winter or paragliding in the summer. Culinary experiences. Savor local delicacies at popular eateries, trying dishes like chole bhature and dumplings. Leh Ladakh. Activities. Visit monasteries. Explore ancient monasteries such as Hemis and Diskit, where you can learn about Buddhist culture. Pangong Lake. Take a day trip to Pangong Lake, famous for its stunning blue waters and breathtaking landscapes. Enjoy a picnic by the lake. Local markets. Explore the bustling markets of Leh, where you can shop for unique handicrafts, woolen garments, and Tibetan artifacts. 3. Culinary delights. A taste of the Himalayas. The food culture of the Himalayas is as diverse as its geography, with each region offering unique flavors and culinary traditions. Must-try dishes. Thukpa. A hearty noodle soup, thukpa is a staple in Tibetan cuisine. It's typically made with meat and vegetables, seasoned with local spices. It's perfect for warming you up after a day of trekking. Momas. These steamed dumplings are filled with vegetables or meat and are a beloved snack in the region. They're often served with a spicy dipping sauce, making them a must-try. Dal bhat, a traditional Nepali dish consisting of lentil soup, dal, and rice, bhat, often accompanied by a variety of pickles and curries. It's a staple meal for locals and a satisfying option for travelers. Chura, a popular dish in the Himalayan regions. Chura is made from flattened rice and is often served with milk or curd and sugar. It's a comforting breakfast or snack option. Food culture, a culinary journey. Himalayan cuisine reflects the region's geography and climate, with an emphasis on hearty, warming dishes that provide energy for the physically demanding lifestyle of the locals. In many villages, meals are communal affairs, with families gathering to share stories and food. Street food is also prevalent in towns and cities, offering a taste of local flavors and culinary traditions. Don't hesitate to try local delicacies from food stalls, as they often provide an authentic taste of Himalayan culture. 4. Outdoor adventures. Embrace the spirit of adventure. The Himalayas are a playground for adventure enthusiasts, offering a myriad of outdoor activities that cater to all levels of experience. Trekking and hiking. Everest Base Camp Trek. One of the most iconic treks in the world. This journey takes you through picturesque Sherpa villages, lush forests, and offers stunning views of the world's tallest mountain. Annapurna Circuit. This classic trek takes you through diverse landscapes, from lush subtropical forests to high-altitude deserts, offering breathtaking views of the Annapurna Range. Marka Valley Trek. Located in Ladakh, this trek is known for its stunning landscapes, ancient monasteries, and the chance to experience the unique culture of the Ladakhi people. River rafting and adventure sports. River rafting in Rishikesh. Known as the adventure capital of India, Rishikesh offers thrilling whitewater rafting experiences on the Ganges River, attracting adventure seekers from around the world. Paragliding in Bir Biling. Experience the thrill of paragliding in Bir Biling, one of the world's top paragliding destinations, and enjoy breathtaking aerial views of the Dhauladhar mountain range. 5. Transportation. Navigating the Himalayan terrain. Getting around the Himalayas can be an adventure in itself, with various modes of transportation available. Public transport. Buses and jeeps. Local buses and shared jeeps are commonly used for travel between towns and cities. While they may not be the most comfortable, they offer a chance to interact with locals and experience daily life in the Himalayas. Trekking. Many trekking routes are well marked, and local guides are available to help navigate the trails. Hiring a local guide not only enhances your experience but also supports the local economy. Renting vehicles. In some areas, you can rent scooters or motorcycles for added flexibility. However, be cautious and ensure you have the appropriate licenses and experience, as mountain roads can be challenging. 6. Accommodations. Where comfort meets adventure. The Himalayas offer a diverse range of accommodations, from luxurious hotels to cozy guest houses and mountain lodges. Luxury resorts. Guest houses and homestays. For a more authentic experience, consider staying in a local guest house or homestay. These accommodations often reflect the local culture and offer home-cooked meals, providing a glimpse into the daily lives of Himalayan communities. Camping and trekking lodges. If you're embarking on a trek, consider staying in trekking lodges or camping under the stars for a unique experience in the heart of nature. 7. 3-day itinerary. Experience the best of the Himalayas. Day 1. Arrival in Dharamshala. Morning. Arrival. Arrive in Dharamshala, a serene town nestled in the Himalayas, known for its Tibetan culture. After checking into your accommodation, take some time to refresh and acclimatize to the altitude. Breakfast. Enjoy a leisurely breakfast with panoramic views of the mountains at a local cafe. Afternoon. Visit McLeod Ganj, Suglagkang Complex. Explore the main temple complex, which includes the Dalai Lama's temple and the Tibetan Museum. Engage with monks and learn about Tibetan Buddhism. Shopping. Stroll through local shops for handicrafts, Tibetan jewelry, and souvenirs. Lunch at a local cafe. Savor Tibetan momos and thukpa at a cozy cafe, taking in the vibrant atmosphere. Evening. Explore Bogsu Waterfall. Take a short hike, about 30 minutes, to Bogsu Waterfall. Relax by the water and enjoy the scenic surroundings. Dinner at a rooftop restaurant. enjoy a delicious dinner at a rooftop restaurant overlooking the mountains. Try local specialties and enjoy the serene ambiance. Day 2. Adventure awaits in Manali. Morning. Travel to Manali. After breakfast, embark on a scenic drive to Manali, approximately 7 hours. Enjoy breathtaking views along the way, with opportunities for photos. Check-in. Arrive and check into your hotel in Manali. Take some time to relax and acclimatize to the altitude. Afternoon. Visit Solong Valley. Adventure sports. Engage in activities like paragliding, ziplining, or take a cable car ride for stunning views of the valley. The adrenaline rush will leave you exhilarated. Photography. Capture the beauty of the snow-capped mountains and lush landscapes. Lunch at a local dhaba. Indulge in authentic North Indian cuisine at a roadside dhaba. Try local dishes like chole bhature. Evening. Explore Old Manali. Stroll through the quaint streets of Old Manali, visit local shops, and enjoy the bohemian vibe of this charming area. Dinner by the Bees River. Enjoy a riverside dinner at a cozy cafe, surrounded by the soothing sounds of flowing water. Day 3. Leh Ladakh exploration. Morning. Early morning flight to Leh. Catch a morning flight to Leh, approximately 1 hour. Upon arrival, check into your accommodation and rest for a few hours to acclimatize. Breakfast. Enjoy a hearty breakfast at your hotel, preparing for a day of exploration. Afternoon. Visit Sheh Palace. Explore the palace. Discover the ruins of Sheh Palace, which was once the summer capital of Ladakh. Admire the stunning views of the Indus Valley. Visit the Sheh Monastery. Check out the giant Buddha statue and learn about the history of Buddhism in the region. Lunch in Leh Market. Savor local dishes at one of the many eateries in Leh's bustling market, trying specialties like thukpa and momos. Evening. Visit Leh Palace. Explore this 17th century palace, offering panoramic views of Leh and the surrounding mountains. Learn about the royal history of Ladakh. Dinner at a local restaurant. Conclude your trip with dinner at a local restaurant, enjoying a mix of Ladakhi and Indian cuisine. 8. Final thoughts. The Himalayas offer an unparalleled experience for travelers seeking adventure, spirituality, and cultural richness. From the towering peaks to the serene monasteries, every corner of this majestic region tells a story. As you embark on your Himalayan journey, embrace the breathtaking landscapes, savor the local cuisine, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture. Your adventure awaits in this extraordinary part of the world. This travel guide provides a comprehensive overview of the Himalayas, detailing attractions and activities, culinary delights, accommodations, transportation, and an exciting 3-day itinerary. Whether you're an adventurer, a cultural enthusiast, or a foodie, the Himalayas promise an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.